Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can create your custom subtask work type or as a work item type in your Jira site to add these to your projects. For example, if you'd like to add one in addition to these default subtask work items. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to your Jira site, and for this method or the tutorial, you will need to access your account settings. To do that, click into that gear icon in the top right, and from here select work items. Now what you want to do here, guys, is switch from work types here to the left to subtasks, because you can of course create also your normal work types, but we covered that already in another tutorial. So here, guys, under subtask, you will be given the opportunity to create your own custom type of subtask. To do that, click into add subtask work type here. And after that, simply go through that short setup here. So let me go with, I don't know, subtask 2 or 1 or something like that. Describe it below. You can add also or assign a work type scheme. Let me go to default issue type scheme. And that's it. After that, click into add, and that is going to create your subtask work item. As you can see now, we can, for instance, edit it here by clicking into this button, select the custom avatar by clicking into this button. So since this icon here is has been assigned to the default subtask type, I'm going to go with a different one. Let me go with, I don't know, that one here, for instance. Click into update, and that is going to update your subtask. Now from now on, you will be given the opportunity to use that subtask and assign it to other parent tasks inside your project. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how it works. You may also disable your subtasks or manage them, for instance. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.